Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best low-profile floor jacks on Amazon. No matter if you own a professional workshop or just enjoy working on your car, a floor jack is a must-have in any garage. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Arken 3-ton Quick Rise Aluminum Floor Jack. This is another model great for beginners and weekend-diers driving a low-riding vehicle, but with a higher weight capacity than the previous model. It lifts most lowered cars and trucks with ease. Of course, we assume that if you have a lowered truck, it's a mini truck. If you own a larger SUV, you might need something a little tougher depending on your truck model. Although 3-ton is usually enough for most applications, I prefer to be on the safer side and not lift a 2 3/4 ton truck with a 3-ton jack, but that's just me. Moreover, the fact that it's aluminum made increases the longevity of the Arken 3-ton jack, making it suitable for any heavy-duty work while significantly reducing the overall weight. What we like about it: durable, lightweight, stronger lift arm than most, rubber saddle and handle bumper for avoiding dents. Easy to position. What we don't like about it: requires more pumps to reach maximum height. Number 2. Torrent Big Red Low Profile Aluminum Racing Floor Jack. If an all-aluminum or all-steel floor jack isn't what you are looking for, how about a hybrid model? That way, you get the best of both worlds without making any significant compromises. The Torrent Big Red T800 15016L Low Profile Racing Floor Jack has been designed with just that in mind. The use of steel ensures optimum strength and reliability, while aluminum helps in keeping the weight down. As a result, the Torrent floor jack is exceptionally strong while weighing merely 33.6 pounds, making it highly desirable for racing applications. Like all high-quality floor jacks, the Big Red is also equipped with an advanced dual-piston hydraulic system capable of lifting up to 1.5 tons or 3,000 pounds. What we like about it: premium quality hybrid construction, rubber saddle to protect your car, wide front roller for added stability, integrated safety overload system, lightweight floor jack perfect for racing applications, side handle for easy transportation, reasonably priced, 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. What we don't like about it: comparatively low weight rating. Number 3. Heavy-duty 3-ton low-profile hydraulic jack. Heavy-duty 3-ton low-profile jack is my budget pick for this list. It features solid all-steel construction for optimum strength and reliability, and despite the heavier material, is remarkably lightweight. The robust frame is accompanied by a conventional single-pump hydraulic system, rated to lift up to 2 tons. Nothing crazy here, but more than enough for most modern compact cars. What we like about it: good lifting range, extremely lightweight, quite affordable, high value for money, loaded with safety features, perfect for use in emergencies, 90 days manufacturer warranty. What we don't like about it: not recommended for heavy-duty work. Number 4. Cat Low Profile Fast Lift Floor Jack. The same brand that gave us the Cat Large Wheel Off-Road Hybrid Floor Jack is back with yet another spectacular product. Meet the Cat Model Low Profile Service Jack. It is a 3-ton floor jack constructed entirely from heavy-duty steel. The highly durable steel frame is accorded a clever flange design to maximize strength and prevent twisting under load. As a result, you can subject this floor jack to heavy-duty work without worrying about reliability. It features a powerful and highly sophisticated dual-piston hydraulic system with quick lift functionality. The rapid lifting feature allows you to raise the saddle from the 33 minimum to the 19.5 maximum lift height with just 7 pumps. What we like about it: can reach maximum lifting height in just 7 pumps. Exceptionally strong and durable steel frame. Practical small tool and bolt tray. Suitable for heavy-duty work. Versatile lifting range. Integrated foot pump. Efficient and smooth lifting. Carrying handles for easy transportation. 1-year manufacturer warranty. What we don't like about it: on the expensive side. Number 5. Esco 3-ton Pro Series low-profile floor trolley jack. The last low-profile floor jack on this list is a true heavy-duty workhorse. The Esco 90521 Pro Series trolley-style floor jack is a premium model with a 3-ton weight rating and a double-piston pump hydraulic system found in most high-quality floor jacks. However, Esco's jack comes with several perks. For a first, you get a foot-operated quick lifting mechanism that is a lot faster than using the handle. Moreover, the conventional handle is replaced by a T-bar with what Esco likes to call lift and twist technology, a feature that allows for precise lowering. What we like about it: heavy-duty floor jack, alternate foot pedal mechanism for fast lifting, versatile lifting range, durable and rugged nylon wheels, convenient storage tray, T-bar handle for better maneuverability, precision speed control functionality when lowering cars, 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. What we don't like about it: costs more than other models. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.